Hi, welcome to Toilet Board channel. If you are new visitor on this channel, please do subscribe the channel and activate bell icon to get notifications.
Brand new 1 BHK which is located in Vidyananagar. The facing is coming under north facing, and once you enter in the house, and this is a spacious hall, and there is a beautiful TV stand over there. And if you come little inside, and you'll be seeing here the western toilet with a sink and one dedicated mirror, and there is one dedicated geyser shower and hot water and cold water tap, and the western toilet. There's a beautiful tiles, 3x4 tiles setup has been done in the kitchen, bathroom. This is our modular kitchen, and this apartment has 10 flats remaining left, total 16. This is a balcony and wash area, the washing machine area. For safety grills also given in the balcony. And I'm going to bedroom. This is a spacious bedroom. This is a big bedroom, and there is fans and lights and aluminum mosquitoes mesh covered windows we have here, and there is a wardrobe with a dedicated mirror. This is a north facing one which I have, and I do have in the same apartment nearly 10 flats available for rent, which are all ready to move in flats. And one thing, this has lift, car parking, power backup, CCTV, 24 hours water facility, bike parking, and all basic amenities they have. So if you look at this false ceiling work, it is really beautiful. This is one type of flat, one portion. So you can also have a look, east facing one and west facing flats also. House, flat number 403. This is very beautiful construction which has all the basic amenities. I'll tell you what are the amenities we have by end of this video. Currently I'm there in the house. This portion what you are seeing is big spacious hall. From the main door, east facing, north facing door, you can see this TV stand over here. It's a very beautiful designed TV stand we have. And if you come little inside, and you'll be seeing modular kitchen with enough, we have a cabinets also here, and the upstairs also you have storage. This is a modular kitchen. There they have provided gas connection. The cylinder will be placed on the basement. From there the pipeline will come here, and there is adjuster fan and one mirror window also we have with aluminum glass window. And this is your washing area. You can also utilize this as a balcony which is covered with grills. This look pretty beautiful here. And from the kitchen you can come down here little bit inside, and there is a big spacious bedroom we have. Bedroom which has an aluminum with a mosquitoes mesh covered window, and this is enough spacious wardrobe, slide over wardrobes. You can also keep your king size and queen size bed as well in the bedroom. And this is your extra storage. Here also you can keep your washing machine, this part. And this is the western toilet which has dedicated geyser, and there is a mirror and one sink and western commode, and beautiful design tiles also they kept in the bathroom. So this is what I have. And coming to the amenities, there are two-wheeler parking and car parking, lift, security, power backup, CCTV, 24 hours water facility they are providing. The fully small kind of community, newly constructed, which is ready to move in flats. So if anybody interested, please call me. My number will be given by given below description.